Hello, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing well. In this video, we're going to look at the difference between the words cook and cooker. Now, these words can be confusing for some English learners, but don't worry, I'll explain them clearly and also give you some examples so that you can practice. Now, firstly, cook, C-O-O-K, it's a verb and a noun. I never cook at home. My wife cooks most days. But when cook is a noun, it's sometimes confused with the noun cooker. A cook is a person who prepares food, usually in a kitchen. A cooker is a device or appliance that's used to cook food, such as an oven, or in American English, a stove. Here are a couple of examples. Say them with me. My wife is a great cook. I don't like to cook. We need a new cooker. Our cooker is broken. Our cooker doesn't work properly. It's difficult to cook. At the moment, we have a gas cooker, but we're thinking of buying an electric cooker. As you can see, cook and cooker are not interchangeable. You can't say, I'm a cooker, or she cooks in the cook. That would be incorrect and confusing. So, to summarize, a cook is a person who prepares food like a chef. And a cooker is the device or appliance in your kitchen that you use to cook food. Now, the difference between a cook and a chef is that a chef has a higher level of skill, training, and probably qualifications. Chefs tend to work in restaurants and hotels. A chef is a trained cook. Both a chef and a cook prepare food, but a chef is more likely to have training and qualifications. So try to remember these definitions and examples, and you'll never mix up cook and cooker again. If this video was useful, please like and subscribe. And remember, if you don't use these words and practice, there's a good chance you'll forget them. So leave a comment below with your own examples in sentences of using cook and cooker. My name's Craig. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.